Hey guys, today we're going to be opening this pack. So, let's get into it. So hard to do it with this camera on. But let's just do it like this again. This is what I'm going to do with my next video. Just do it like this. Okay. No! I don't know how you open these things. I really don't. Please tell Pokemon to... Oh, that is how you do it. See? Okay, I got it open. Okay. We're just gonna get straight into it. Okay. So, code card. Just see this one. Okay, nothing good this time, but we did good. So, that's it for today's video.